Alright, I'm gonna beat this Rubik's Cube. Yeah. Oh wow! I did one side out of the 6 sides. This is bullshit. Crap. I think I broke it, but not entirely. I can just fix this. Except that my phone didn't record my Rubik's Cube. Where the fuck is the other side? Oh, right here. Yeah, it still works. So yeah, this video, I'm gonna be destroying a Rubik's Cube because I'm bored and I need views. This is gonna be a quick video. Also, because I want to grow my channel. So yeah, yippee, another breaking video thing. I'm just gonna let it drop. Oh, it still works. Okay. Alright, viewer. So now I'm gonna advance to the next level, which is outside of my backyard, where there's a lot of sounds, but more space to destroy stuff. And yeah, I'm gonna break this with what thing? This wooden hammer that I found in one of my old toys. This is gonna be the first level of destruction. Alright, let's go. Alright. I hate the guy that works here because he makes a lot of noise. Anyways, I'm gonna the first hit this hammer. Hit. Die. Look, there's some, I think, Chinese or Japanese, I don't know, language on the other side of this Rubik's Cube. You can barely see it because my phone can't record very well. Yeah, this still works normal. So I guess I'm just gonna keep doing, you know, hits, something like this. Okay, now it's starting to break. It doesn't really move as fast as before, but it still moves, and we still got this color. Nice. Now for a slow motion. That slow motion was boring as shit, but I can still do another one. What? Okay, that one did not break at all. Like, nothing happened. But fuck off. Oh. Man. I'm not getting any destruction from this. The only thing that's happening, come on, get fixed. The only thing that's happening is parts flying away, fixable parts, stuff that I can fix. And yeah, not much destruction. Break. Stupid thing. Okay, so it's the second day, and yesterday I didn't record a lot, and then I couldn't record anymore. So yeah, it's the second day now. As you can see, the Rubik's Cube has changed a little bit, but that's because I tried breaking it off camera, and it didn't really do any damage. It only made it a little bit more. Well, it moves a lot faster now. Kind of broken. So yeah, I also got the orange color. But now it's time to move on to stronger weapons, and that is level 2, which gives this rusty old hammer. Yippee! So yeah, I'm gonna smash this, hit it with, hit it more times with this hammer until it breaks. If it survives level 2, then we're gonna go to level 3, which will include more stuff, more stronger stuff. Okay, let's go. But first we're gonna start with hitting it. So, oh, that instantly broke it. Oh god. Yep. Can we fix it though? Oh wait, it goes the other way. Like this. We can fix it. Like if nothing ever happened. Huh. So this thing really wants to survive, eh? There's nothing I can put my phone on to like see the Rubik's Cube, so I just put the hammer and put my phone, over it. So yeah, let's see if it could still move, even if it's broken. Here's the broken part. It still moves, and it's fixed, kinda. Huh. Alright, now for the gold one. Oh, that didn't work. Try to. Well, I didn't really hit it there hard, but it still got a little bit damaged. Like, it doesn't feel well anymore. And it's because of this one part that keeps falling off now. Stay in there. Oh! Yeah. I don't think it was a great idea to hit it. Now it's broken. There's still parts around. So this survived level 1, but it couldn't not survive level 2. Like, it's literally breaking right now. All the pieces together. Let's hit it one more time. Oh yeah. It made a big mess. Very big mess. Oh, it's already completely broken. Wow, cool. Oh, okay. Well, let's just smash this now. Oh god, that hit me. Coming to think about it, I should have made a slow motion of me hitting it. But no, I didn't. Yeah. No, I didn't. But I'll make a slow motion of me hitting this shitty, broken Rubik's Cube. Okay, never mind. I hit it 3 times with the slow motion, nothing happens, so let's just break it normally. Ooh, what's this? A hole. Like absolutely nothing anymore. Well yeah, it's just this now. It's not a cube anymore. It's so broken. I can't even hit it anymore. I can't hit it correctly without it moving away. It wants to escape. With the back part, doesn't really work. Here's all the pieces. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe if you wanna check out more videos of me. Because I'm gonna try to make more videos, more gaming videos, and less destruction videos, because you don't have anything to destroy other than this Rubik's Cube that I just destroyed. I made a video about it. Yeah. Hope you enjoyed this video, and giveaway. I'm kidding. I'm not popular. I only have 14 subscribers. So would I give a giveaway to some random person? Who the fuck even wants this garbage? So yeah, let's just hit it normally. Oh god.